Huang, the founder and the CEO of Convospot. Convospot focuses on one problem: how can you communicate between visitors and business owner? So even nowadays, I like the idea of in need. People still prefer to visit a local store like a Best Buy because they like the feeling to talk to the real people, get advice in real time. That is what they lack in most internet business. There's an issue here. For Amazon, if you support the real person for live chat for everyone, the cost will be tremendous. So the real person live chat fundamentally incompatible with internet scale. So the AI is a savior. Chatbot is a new frontier. That's from Economist. So the chatbot basically can help you talk to a people and extracting their context and respond some even actions. And another problem is for small businesses. Most of their knowledge is actually from the daily communication, either in email or FAQ. So if the people left the company, you lost that knowledge. So how can you accumulate this knowledge and make it a long-term persistent value? So using chatbot can easily do so. So the Convospot basically provide a chatbot can answer questions in real time and influence the buyer's decision to make the business owner make money. And on the other hand, it will saving the real people's time, valuable time, to answer those emails, so save time. And the last thing is accumulate knowledge. The market is huge. I didn't do the very detailed segmentation, but you can see it's like intersection of customer service and chatbot. Let me do you a quick demo on the production. Consider this is your website. So after injection of piece of code, much like Google Analysis, you will have this small icon at this corner. If you click it, then you can start talking and say hi. The chatbot will respond to you, say something there. Then you can say something like, tell me a joke. The chatbot will answer your joke. And you can see, not only this chatbot will answer some text, it will also respond to your action. So if this customer is first-time visitor, never been input his email and name, the system will ask for their contact. Then you can input here. It can be much more action like if the system detecting some strongly spy signal, it can pop up, for example, a promotion, a special discount, personalized for this user only. So for the backend, the system also has a back office. So you can see all the users right now, live online, you can talk with. And for the knowledge, it's very simple. It's much like editing a text file. So you can just editing like a markdown file. Here what's existing, what's expected to be asked. Here's what's the answer. So the system will automatically run the natural language processing to posing those questions. So the customer do not need to have asked the same question to get the answer. So before I left, I can show you a demo. It's very fine-tuned and the demo for how this thing works. Okay, I think that's question. It's a Q&A time. Please ask any question you want. Yes, please.
How does it handle, like, if you miscode
Yeah, it has some NLP. So the NLP will try to fix the misspelling and detect the topic. So it's like a stemming. It's not a detect. You don't need to match the exact words. Yeah. Please.
I'm in the lingerie e-commerce business, and we get a lot of unwanted freaky men who message us asking perverted things. How do you guys remove or block?
Yes. So one way to using chatbot is it can filtering some either spam or something like what you say. So you can easily define some topic, not keywords, but semantic topic. You don't want to be bothered in this system. Then the chatbot will automatically stop forwarding those communication to you. So the beauty of this system is it can generate one email every day to summarize all the communication to you. So if that's the case, I think those conversations will not be shown in that email. Yes.
How receptive are companies to the whole new bot technology?
You mean other company?
Well, because it sounds like you're selling this to companies, right?
Right now, I don't want to do too much on large company. Actually, I want to do it for small business. Dad and the mom store, maybe the professor in university. The reason is I know the limitation of the conversation module right now. So if you're doing the like a CRM help desk, the business rule would be much complex. So I start to penetrate market in those simple cases first, make these things really useful for them, then dealing with more complex problem later.
Does it log previous conversations?
Sorry?
Does it log previous conversations?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
When you have issues with the chatbot, like for instance, let's say it's not loading the conversation or it's not like calling on it for whatever reason, does that affect the overall performance of the website that you're visiting?
Very little because I using some deferred loading. So it's everything loaded after your main resources being rendered.
Okay.
Most companies doing so. Yes, there will be some effect, but considerably the front end is very simple, very little resources. The most thing happens in calling API. So yeah.
So where do you get these answers to the questions?
So you have three channels. One part is from the built-in conversation called AIML. It's a standard chatbot language. The second part is actually from your own knowledge. Like I just show you adding those text files. So you can contribute your own knowledge to be answered. The last thing is actually from learning, machine learning. Machine learning, sometimes, most time actually at the beginning, this thing cannot answer the question. So you still need to personally handle. So all those answers will be the training data set for your chatbot. The chatbot will learn how you respond to your customer. The more you use it, it becomes more smarter. So it will learn from previous chat.
Does it reach out to the internet, the search, and gather the information?
No. So this thing try not to be competed with Google Now or Siri. It's only for your own business. Try to answer your business only, not try to do the general search.
How do you handle knowledge transfer from the chatbot into any other system? So all the information you get from the customer, how do you?
So right now, I only provide a very easy way to, you can do some easy way to create your knowledge base into this large text file and simply copy and paste there because targeted customer is small business. But in the long term, yes, we can do some transfer like from some common knowledge base into this.
So when I see the chatbot development process, it takes a long time. For example, half a year, maybe at least 3 months, for the chatbot to become smart. During the 3 months, takes a lot of resources for people to train the bot, which is manually correct the wrong answer. So when you sell this to your customer, do you sell the service as well?
No, as I said, this service chatbot is a one part, but you cannot expect the chatbot can solve every problem at the beginning. So this thing is number one, help you make your communication simplified and more efficient. That's a value for the customer at the beginning. But at the long term, since you're using it for a period of time, this system can accumulate the data set to train itself.
So what I mean is, but I watched your team develop this process, the chatbot before.
Yes.
What we did is, you have to assign somebody, sit there to see the wrong answer and then correct the answer. The bot itself is not going to just run by itself. Somebody needs to train the bot. So it's a very human-heavy process to
I
train
don't
the
know
bot.
why. So right now, the new generation machine learning is much efficient to extracting those features. You don't need some person to do it. So there's a video said you don't need any pre-knowledge. Just by training by character, you can do a very good answer. Only if you have good, big quality data
Yeah.
to train them. So this problem cannot be easy. So as I said, this thing will be useful from day one to the customer. Then as long as you use it a lot, it will become more smarter. That's the answer.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.